Imagine this, you're 30 years old, sipping coffee on your balcony, watching the sunrise. Debt-free, stress-free, and financially free. Sounds like a dream, right? Now, what if I told you that dream could crumble into a nightmare if you don't act today? Welcome to 2025, where the stock market isn't just Wall Street's game, it's your ticket to wealth. I'm here to give you the beginner's guide to stock market investing. So you, yes, you, can stop scrolling TikTok for get-rich-quick schemes and start building a life of real abundance. Here's the deal. Most people your age, 18 to 30, are terrified of investing. They think it's complicated, risky, or only for suits with private jets. But here's the truth. Millionaires mentor broke beginners every day through one simple secret: stocks. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, even if you've got just $50 in your pocket. Wait, did you just think like stocks? Isn't that like gambling? Hold that thought. We're about to flip that fear on its head. First, let's set the stage. The stock market is like a massive wealth machine. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon invite you to own a piece of their success. But here's the catch. Most people lose because they dive in blind. Today, we're building your investor's roadmap. Why stocks matter, how to start small, and here's the kicker. What's coming in 2025 that could make or break your fortune? Ready? Let's dive into the action. Now picture this. It's 2025 and inflation's creeping up again. Your paycheck buys less, rent's spiking, and that fear of being stuck hits hard. Sound familiar? That's why investing isn't optional. It's urgent. The stock market isn't just about getting rich. It's about not getting left behind. But don't worry, I've got your back. Step 1. Know the game. Stocks are shares of companies. When they win, you win. When Tesla launches a new car or Netflix drops a hit series, their stock climbs and your wallet grows. But here's where most beginners trip. Picking the right stocks feels like finding a needle in a haystack. So, how do you start without losing your shirt? Quick question. Would you buy a car without test driving it? No, right? So, why buy a stock without researching it? Exactly. Here's the pro move. Start with index funds. These are like a cheat code. Baskets of stocks, like the S&P 500 that track the top 500 US companies. Low risk, steady growth, and you don't need a finance degree to get in. In 2025, experts predict these funds could average 7 to 10% returns. That's your money doubling every 7 years without breaking a sweat. Excited yet? But what if you want more than steady? What if you want to ride the wild waves of Tesla or scoop up the next big thing? That's where individual stocks come in. And yes, they're riskier. So let's talk strategy. Open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, whatever fits your vibe. Start small, $50, $100, and buy fractional shares. Research companies you believe in. Are they growing, solving real problems? In 2025, green energy and AI stocks are tipped to explode. Think solar panels and chatbots smarter than your ex. Time's ticking. Every day you wait, you're missing compound interest. The eighth wonder of the world. A $100 investment at 20 could be 1,000 by 35. Delay a decade, and you're starting from scratch. Feel that urgency? Good. It's your wake-up call. So what's that one mistake? It's emotion, panic selling when stocks dip or chasing hype like a dog after a squirrel. Pros don't flinch. They plan. In 2025, volatility's coming. New regulations, tech breakthroughs, maybe even a market shakeup. Your edge? Patience and knowledge. You've got this. Now let's tie it all together. Investing isn't about overnight millions. It's about owning your future. Start with index funds for safety, sprinkle in stocks for growth, and research like your life depends on it, because your wealth does. The stock market's your ladder out of the 9-to-grind into that balcony sunrise life. By the way, who's still thinking stocks are just for old dudes in suits? Spoiler. They're wrong. You're the new Wall Street. Here's your 2025 edge. Apps like Webull offer free trades. AI tools predict trends, and communities like Reddit's Wall Street Bets share insider vibes. Just don't YOLO your rent money. The tools are here, the wealth's waiting. Will you grab it? If you're ready to kickstart your stock market journey, smash that like button. It's your first investment in yourself. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a wealth building tip. Drop "I'm in" the comments and tell me, what's the first stock you'd buy? Let's build your empire together, starting today. See you in the next one.